Hey everyone, if you have been using the Deepseek app and you have just logged out from the app and don't know how to log in back again, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Deepseek app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this. Now to log in, simply add your email account that you have used to sign up, just like this, and add your password. And after that, simply tap on to log in just right here. And now you can see you have successfully logged in the Deepseek app. Now again, enjoy using the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.